What's going on? Michael here, and in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow your small business using functional web design and simple automation that works for you on autopilot without spending thousands of dollars a month on ads that probably don't even work anyway. And of course, you're free to implement everything I show you for yourself if you want to. Like I said, I'm Michael, founder of StarSurge. I've built 1,000+ websites. I've tested them all for customer conversion, page layouts, content sections, SEO content, you name it, I've pretty much done it. I've spent so many thousands of hours creating and testing all different types of websites and systems for small businesses. This is what works best and will get small businesses like yours results without breaking the bank. Yes, not thousands of dollars, price range anywhere between $97 to $297 a month. Just think about that. If you just get one extra customer per month, your system would literally pay for itself. So I don't want to waste your time. This is only for small business owners who understand, or you guys want to understand, the importance of having an online presence, and even more importantly, understanding that a business only grows when they put the proper systems in place to do. One of my favorite quotes, it's, "You'll never rise to your goals, you always fall to the strengths of your systems." Now, depending where you are in your business, you may have tried some kind of marketing before and it didn't go well, and that is totally okay. A lot of companies will promise you the world and absolutely not deliver. I want to stress this one more time. Yes, we are a web design agency. However, having a website and having a functional website that's part of a bigger marketing system are two very different things. Now, what do I mean by a functional website? Does your website have a lead capture form that a customer can fill out? And does your customer get notified? So this is an example from inside our CRM. Got your form, Chetty. This is automated, but I'll be in touch with you ASAP. Michael. Boom. So when a potential customer messages through your website chat, do they get notified that you've received their message and will get in contact with them shortly? Also, how easy is it for your customer to contact you? And is your website optimized for mobile use? Just an example of a website. Are all your amazing 5-star Google reviews displayed on your website for your customers to see? Not only is that important, but Google reviews in general, that helps you bring in leads. Now, I'm not going to go into that in this particular video, but if you want more calls, get more reviews. When you miss a phone call because you're on a job, do you have an automated text message that gets sent out to let the potential customer know that they've received a call and will be right with them? So boom, missed a call. Hi, sorry, just missed your call. How can I help? If you don't want to work together, let me know. I'll stop texting you. Don't worry about that. You can make that whatever you want. That is just what I use for my stop message. Legally, you have to have something in there like that. And I like using that. It works just instead of saying reply stop if you don't want to receive this message. So do you keep a list of all your past customers that you can remarket to and offer referral and returning customers to? Basically a CRM. These are things that set you apart from your competition and show your business's level of professionalism. This is what makes customers want to choose you instead of someone else. This is just a screenshot of what the inside of a CRM would look like. Right here, I can't really tell what the question is, or the response, excuse me. Now the framework. So I call it the 3R framework: reputation, resell, and reach. So the first one is reputation. Basically, how are you seen online and your online presence? Do you have a website that works? Do you have reviews? Are you posting authority-based content? Basically, are you active online? The second R is resell. Your previous customer database inside your CRM. Are you sending them emails once a month? Are you sending them discount codes, giving them referral codes, things like that? We help you manage those with campaigns, basically get you more repeat business, because these customers have already used your service, so it's easier than acquiring new customers. And then the last one is reach, obviously getting more customers. So this is where ads could come in. But what I noticed from a lot of small businesses is they skip these first two and they go straight to reach and running ads when they don't have reputation and they don't have any resale set up. So they have a lack of foundation where these leads are coming in and then they're not staying, they're not getting nurtured because they're not focusing on what really matters, which is this bottom of this triangle. If you're a small business owner who understands why functional web design and systems are important for growing your business and you don't want to spend hundreds of hours trying to set up the system yourself, you can go ahead and just leave a comment below and our team can set everything up for you. On this call, we're going to take a closer look at your business, where you're at now, where you want to go, and see if you're a good fit to work together, and we can get started. If we decide to work together, the only thing we need from you is just to fill out one simple form with some information about your business to get us as many photos of work as possible, and then we will take care of everything else. So if that sounds like you, if you think you would be a good fit, just click the link below. Or don't click the link below, because I guarantee I'm not going to edit this out because no one's going to make it this far. I need to make longer videos. Got to do what you got to do. Also, if you made it this far, quick plug, go ahead and check out my, where is it? Check out my ChatGPT or my custom GPT, basically your AI marketing manager. So if you are wanting to create more posts for Facebook, for Google My Business, that's optimized, which is more important than ever now with these AI models like Copilot, Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT. These are becoming search engines now. AI SEO is becoming really useful because most people are not coming to Google asking questions anymore. They're going to TikTok, Instagram, all these AI platforms. So just a quick shameless plug. Also, I wanted to do that so I could make this video a little bit longer. So everything that you're going to need is going to be in the description below. But that is it for this one, Local Business Pros. I will see you in the next one.